Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn more about the ArtSets. An ArtSet in TwistedBrush is a collection of up to 60 brushes. The fastest way to open the list of ArtSets is to click on any brush shortcut in the Brush Shortcut panel. This will open a Select Brush dialog where all the ArtSets are kept. Click on any ArtSet name and you will see its description at the bottom of the dialog. You can search for brushes through the ArtSets manually, or you can use the search box. Type the name or part of the name of a brush in the box and all the ArtSets containing brushes that match your description will be loaded. And the brushes will be highlighted. Click on a brush to select it and you can immediately start using it. Your brush will be automatically added to the Brush Shortcuts menu. If you enable the Brush History option in the ArtSets menu, all the brushes that you use or edit will be saved in a special ArtSet called History Brush. Only the last 60 records will be kept. TwistedBrush gives you the option to edit the existing or to add new ArtSets. Click on the ArtSets menu and select Edit ArtSet. The Edit Art Set dialog is very similar to the Select Brush dialog. However, its function is not about selecting a brush but editing ArtSets. The Exit button will close the Edit Art Set dialog. The New button is used to create a new ArtSet. When selected, a dialog will be presented to enter a name. Afterwards, the new ArtSet with no brushes assigned will be selected. The Save As button will save the selected ArtSet to a new ArtSet name that you supply. The existing ArtSet will remain unchanged. The Build button is used to enter into the build mode. The Copy to Shortcut button will copy the selected ArtSet brushes to the brush shortcuts. The Copy Brush button will copy the selected brush to the clipboard for placement in another brush slot in any ArtSet. To place the brush, click on any empty brush slot. This will open the Brush Options dialog where you can rename the copy of the brush and to select what type of information to be saved with it. The same Brush Options dialog can be also opened by clicking on the Edit button. The Update button will update the selected brush in the ArtSet with the currently selected brush in the shortcuts. Basically, the brush you are painting with will update the brush which you select in this dialog. The Delete button will remove the selected brush from the ArtSet. The Move Up and Move Down buttons will move the selected brush up or down one position in the ArtSet, swapping positions with the one before or after it. The Page Icon button will take the content of the current page and make it the icon for the selected brush. The Color Icon button will take the current color bar colors and make it the icon for the selected brush. The Optimize button will arrange brush effects for each brush in the selected ArtSet for better performance. The Brush Count button will total up every brush currently installed. The Clean ArtSet button will clean up hidden data in the ArtSet that will make it easier for those manually editing the ArtSet data file.